Hello, and welcome to the Crafty Robot. I'm joining you by Telepresence. I could be on the other side of the world, but actually I'm just in another room. I'm controlling this robot, so I can go this way, or this way. I can go back, or forward. Anyway, this is very much the minimum viable product for Telepresence. You can get much better Telepresence robots than this. I tried one, I went remotely up to Liverpool to a makerspace called Does, and I used one of these double Telepresence robots that was really, really amazing. But then they cost £3,000, and obviously you can get a Smartibot for like £55. So I see this as kind of the Google Cardboard of Telepresence. There's a full tutorial of how to do this on the website, so please check it out. We're using the computer as the relay, so it's connected to this Smartibot and it's relaying commands that are coming in from the internet to the Smartibot. I've got a web app running on the computer here that I'm using as the controller in order to drive the Smartibot. And this is using something called PubNub to send the commands over the internet between the two apps. The web apps are set up so you can use your own PubNub keys in order to make it work. Have a go, let us know what you think about it. If there's a lot of demand, we might look at adding this functionality into the Smartibot app. Thank you very much for watching, and have fun with your Smartibot Telepresence systems. Bye-bye.